Go. Hi, Miss Blaze. I'm eating tomato and salad and brown rice and avocado and barbecue chicken and avocado and tomato.
Okay. Why are you eating healthy food?
Because I'm a strong boy.
Oh, it's going to make you a strong boy?
Uh-huh.
And what else?
Because I just want to eat the yellow carrot.
Okay, what kind of rice are you eating?
Brown.
Brown rice. Okay.
Because I want to eat the avocado first.
Oh, you want to eat avocado first?
Oh,
You like avocados?
yeah.
Oh, avocados will make you smart.
Avocado.
Yeah, big boy mommy eating avocado. Good job. Yummy? Is the avocado yummy? And pumpkin? Jonathan? Is it yummy?
Now it's yummy.
Yeah, it's yummy. Oh, thumbs up. Very good.
It's yummy.
It's yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what else are you going to eat next?
Barbecue chicken.
Oh, you like barbecue chicken? What kind of juice are you going to drink?
Fruit juice.
Fruit juice? Yeah. Oh, do you like fruits?
Yes.
Okay, don't drink yet. Finish eating your food, okay? What about this one?
Water.
Okay, you going to drink water?
Yeah.
Why are you going to drink water?
Because I'm thirsty.
You thirsty?
Yeah. Huh? Water's good for me because I'm thirsty.
Okay, Jonathan, you did a good job. Say, see you soon, Miss Blaze.
See you soon, Miss Blaze.
I miss you.
I miss you.
May God bless you.
God bless you. Keep up the wonderful work.
Yay! Good job, my pumpkin. Smart boy. Bravo. Enjoy your healthy food. Okay.